it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so this is my Tesla Model S, and it has white interior, as you can see. And one of the most common issues with the white interior I've seen is the cleaning of these white seats. And there have been many videos on YouTube, that talks about cleaning and different methods of cleaning, but today I want to share with you something that really works for me, and I'm going to be showing you with a demonstration. And there are different methods that you can try. I've seen people doing it with vinegar and water. I've seen people doing with dish soap and water, warm water, and of course I've seen people with a mixture of dish soap, vinegar, and water. And some of the guys, even tried some kind of detergent and things like that, which can technically ruin your leather seats, but one thing I just want to tell you, this is not leather. If you guys think, I think the earlier model S's and earlier Teslas, they used to come with pure leather seats. So those are a little bit different, as there are different methods of cleaning leather. If you maintain it, it stays in pretty good shape, but these are, I think, vegan seats, they're made of some kind of synthetic material, it's not really pure leather, but it definitely feels like leather, and it's much durable as compared to leather. I think it lasts you a lot longer. This is not like the bonded leather and things like that kind of goes flaring in a couple of years, so it won't start peeling off or anything, but anyways, cleaning this is a challenge. And here you can see, there are marks. If you really look closer, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera or not, but there are still some marks here. And these are dirt marks, and if you look over here, you don't see anything. But as soon as I move forward, you're probably going to start noticing a pattern of waviness, So what happens is, once you're sitting on there, your jeans and other dirt, whatever, it gets an imprint on the seats, as you can see right here. Some minor abrasions right here. So recently I took my car to the dealership, and I normally keep my car very clean. I'll wipe it off, at least once a month. I try to. But when I took it in for maintenance, got my car back, didn't really notice at the time, but when I brought it back home, I noticed it was dirty from here and here. So of course, whoever was getting in the car, they weren't that clean, and it made it kind of a little mess on my seat. So tried cleaning this with a regular solution first. Of course, what I'm going to recommend is try to use the baby shampoo. Sometimes that works with water, or light detergent, not the detergent, but the the dish soap with water, warm water. That sometimes works too, so I think those are good solutions for temporary, and for a regular maintenance cleaning. But when it comes to heavy stains like this, those are not going to come off with those kind of stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you what I use to clean this stuff. Now you may want to try this on a corner or something, which I have already tried this, on my end, so as you can see over here, I gave it a try, and you can see this area is very clean. So basically what I'm using is it's a cleaner called Purple Cleaner, and the Purple Cleaner is just a solution that you can mix with water. So let me show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this is the Purple Power. This is a concentrated industrial strength cleaner and degreaser, and there are some warning: corrosive, may cause burns, eye, skin irritation, harmful if swallowed or inhaled. Carefully read the instructions. So you may want to wear gloves and stuff like that, but this is biodegradable stuff, so it's not harmful, and this can be used for auto, home, industry. So this is really good stuff, and it tells you the proportion that you can use. So depending on how dirty it is, if you're using it on auto cleaner, and even on carpet, so you can have a ratio of 10 to 1, so basically you can also use it in full strength, meaning fully the way it is, or you can dilute it with water and Purple Power, So I normally dilute it. I don't use pure stuff, unless you're really degreasing something hard, but this stuff works good. You can pick it up from Amazon and stuff. It's I think it's a great cleaner to have if you own vehicles. So let's get back to our car, and we're gonna apply this purple cleaner on this area. As you can see, this area is a little bit and just take a little bit and just rub it. If you have any excess, you just clean it. And as you're rubbing it, you can probably see this is stuff just coming off. You can see how easy it came off. And you can, if you really want, you can just leave it there for a little bit more longer. You don't really need a whole lot. You can just leave a little bit. Just rub it in, and this really takes off. You can see how well it cleaned. So you can see it really is like new. And if you see it more dirty, you can of course apply some more. So as you can see, it's nice and clean now. See how clean it looks. And at the end, one thing you definitely want to do is wipe off with a wet rag. Just make sure you wash your rag and just wipe everything with water, because you don't want any chemical residue on your leather seats. It's better to wipe it down maybe 4 or 5 times, just to make sure you get everything off from there. But as you can see, it's nice and clean. So guys, hopefully this video helps you guys clean your white leather seats. I just did a demonstration on my car, so hopefully you guys feel comfortable using this product. I think it's great. And hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.